Don't open.
What does it say on the envelope?
Open after opening these gifts. Open after opening these gifts.
Open after opening the gift.
Oh, okay, so then you have to open the gifts first.
Nice. Disney princess. What Walt Disney for? Oh, cool. Autographs and photographs.
Cool.
Oh. Okay, now what does the clue
Walt
say?
Disney.
What does the clue say?
Final clue. By now you were thinking that you've guessed the Christmas gift this year, but just in case you aren't sure and just to be quite clear, there's items hanging in your tree for every one of you. The documents that will explain and be the final clue.
Wait, you guys, have you guessed it yet? You haven't guessed your gift?
You guessed your gift yet?
No.
Okay, get the one with your name on it. Oh, here's a
Jesse, be patient.
Caitlin.
Let them all open it at the same time. Ready?
Okay.
Disneyland! It's Disneyland, Mommy! It's Disneyland!
You're leaving on Sunday.
Yay! Sunday? 3 whole days, Emily. 3 full days. No, full, not whole. Full.
Do you read it?
It says, laugh, have fun, eat treats, and have photos taken with my friends. Signed, Mickey Mouse.
Yep, you get autographs and then you take a picture
Yeah,
with
the
them. And then you take a
pictures.
picture inside here.
And when do we leave?
Next to each other.
What
Sunday,
day?
Sunday.
And when do we come back?
I don't know. Monday.
No.
Wednesday.
Not even Wednesday.
Awesome. Thank you.
So, is that exciting?
Yeah.
Hey, guess what? We're going with you.
This is Daddy's Christmas.
And Auntie T and Uncle Joe and Auntie Lisa and Grandma and Papa.
Papa, do you see you left off an R in the berry? It's a bird.
Yeah.
Well,
Mickey knows who you are. That's okay.
are you guys excited?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I be? I've been wanting to go like all year.
All right, well, who got you this gift?
I think it's Grandma.
What do you guys say to them?
Thank you.
Grandma and Papa.
How about a hug?
Yeah, hug.